You are about to hear an excerpt from SP Home Run's Data Center Sales Funnel Acceleration Q&A webinar, introducing Joshua Feinberg, Chief Thought Leader of SP Home Run.
For your sales team to be closing more world-class clients, well, first let's define what world-class clients are. We need to be super crisp about that so we can use that to segment our leads between those that are qualified, super qualified, marginally qualified, and not qualified at all, because we definitely want to handle those differently in terms of whether they get automation or whether they get passed to sales immediately. Super high qualified leads that are square right on, bullseye right on, you might not nurture at all, and they may jump all the way in the queue right to sales. So we need to be super crisp about what makes a world-class client for you. And do we know what a bad fit client is so we can quickly disqualify that? A lot of companies don't really have a good handle on who's bad fit and spend too much time on marginal leads. A big organizational, in order to really make this work well, for a lot of companies it's a big culture change, a big organization change. To be effective, you need to have company-wide buy-in, starting from the CEO level down. A lot of times a workshop becomes a really valuable tool to getting everyone on the same page. And this really goes, the approach really goes hand in hand with world-class clients. Chances are there's someone or someones in every department of your company who's being asked questions on a regular basis that they feel like, wow, I feel like I answer that question over and over and over again. And chances are, if they're getting asked that, that's a great thing that needs to be addressed front and center on your website. And really dig into those personas so that your sales team knows how to recognize great fit clients. Personas are not just for marketing. They're important tools for sales as well.
Thanks so much for stopping by today. Make sure that you listen to the full recording of the Data Center Sales Funnel Acceleration Q&A webinar now at sphomerun.com/DCS webinar.